Hello everybody, how are you? I am Muhammad Ahmed and your teacher here, and I will be teaching you different question and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com where we will be discussing question. So let's get on the question. Our today's question is: assigning manufacturing overhead to product is complicated because blank multiple select question. Many companies have large amounts of variable overhead. It consists of many types of costs. It is an indirect cost. The correct answer of the question. The statement assigning manufacturing overhead to product is complicated because it consists of many types of costs. It is an direct cost. Manufacturing overhead typically includes various indirect costs that cannot be directly traced to specific products, such as utilities, depreciation, maintenance, and supervision. Additionally, manufacturing overhead often comprises different types of costs, making it challenging to allocate accurately to individual products. So that's the correct answer of the question. If you have any question, just leave a comment. I will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Until next question. Bye bye.